Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Nikki Kattapan. I am an instructional designer and a faculty at the School of Education at Augusta University. Also the adjunct faculty for the doctoral program at UC of Louisiana at Monroe. Um, I am so honored to be selected, and I'm so honored to be here. During the pandemic, I had a chance to attend a couple of the Eurasia Research sessions, and I have to say I really like it because of flexibility. I
Mhm.
don't have to travel to the conference site anymore, but at the
Mhm.
same time, I do miss
Physical
the
conferences.
charm,
Okay.
exactly the charm of physical conference
Yeah.
and the opportunities to
Mm.
explore the city that I can to
Yeah.
go to attend the conference. That would be
Mm.
the only downfall. But other than that, I like the online conference because it's allow people to connect regardless of place and time.
Mhm.
Because many times we cannot travel to the conference site because of the budget problems, and
Right.
even after COVID, we can have a lot more
Mhm.
budget problems. So
Mhm.
I feel like online conference really helps a lot. But again, like I said, I miss the charm of being talking to people face to face,
Yes. Yes.
and the interactions will be probably a little bit low because when you do online conference, the uh,
Mm.
the interactions will be kind of a little bit lower than in person, but we can try to improve that. And I have to say that online conference provide more opportunities to
Mm.
attend. I would say first that they can do it in their own place, like at their home, at their office, or wherever they want to choose, without traveling to the conference site. And
Right.
like for Eurasia, you guys you hold the conference in different countries. I like that because it allows us to explore the cities that we've never been to. But at the
Mhm.
same time, the budget and the money problems
Right.
can be can be can be
Can
obstacles,
be
but
difficult.
online
Yes.
conference really helps us to
Mm.
connect in this way, and I would encourage all of my peers to attend online conference and present at the online conference. It is as good as the physical conference, but just missing
Face to
the
face
charming of the
interaction. Yeah.
the talking and the in-person
Mm.
talking. But we can what can I say, replicate that by using online talking instead. My future plan, I'm looking into the new into my new paper, the topic that I'm working on, and
Mm.
I hope I'll be able to present it at Eurasia Research again. And in the same time, I am trying to, what can I say, come up and launch the research that I have with Eurasia to and have my colleagues implement them, um,
Right.
and have to understand that we as peers, we have to keep learning. We cannot stop. Once we
Mhm.
get the information, we cannot just stop here. We have to keep learning and make sure that we implement our research into our future practice, so we can have better, better education, better world, and better outcomes, and better students who will become, the future generation.